Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're learning French grammar in a super easy and friendly way. Don't worry, French grammar is not as scary as it seems. Let's jump in. One, definite and indefinite articles. A definite articles. The.
Le. Le. Le.
It's masculine.
La. La. La.
It's feminine.
Les. Les. Les.
It's plural.
Le livre.
The book.
La table.
The table.
Les enfants.
The children. B. Indefinite articles. A and an and some.
Un.
It's masculine.
Une.
It's feminine.
Des.
It's for plural.
Un chien.
A dog.
Une voiture.
A car.
Des fleurs.
Some flowers. Two, subject pronouns.
Je.
I.
Tu.
You for singular.
Il.
He.
Elle.
She.
Nous.
We.
Vous.
For plural and formal.
Il.
They for masculine.
Elle.
They for feminine. Examples.
Je parle français.
I speak French.
Tu aimes voyager?
You like to travel.
Ils habitent à Paris.
They live in Paris. Regular verb conjugation. French has three main verb groups.
R.
N.
Ir.
N.
Re.
Let's use the verb.
Parler.
It means to speak.
Je parle.
I speak.
Tu parles.
You speak.
Il parle.
He speaks.
Elle parle.
She speaks.
Nous parlons.
We speak.
Vous parlez.
You speak.
Il parle. Elle parle.
They speak. Negation. Negatives in French are formed with
Ne.
N.
Pas.
Examples.
Je ne comprends pas.
I don't understand.
Elle ne mange pas de viande.
She doesn't eat meat.
Nous ne voulons pas partir.
You don't want to leave. Five. Adjective agreement. In French, adjectives must match the noun's gender and number. Masculine,
Grand.
feminine,
Grande.
plural,
Grand.
or.
Grande.
Examples:
Un homme grand.
a tall man,
Une femme grande.
a tall woman,
Des enfants grands.
tall children, six. A. Asking questions.
Où est?
Where is?
Où est la gare?
Where is the train station?
Comment ça va?
How are you?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is this? Be useful sentence structures.
J'aimerais.
I would like.
J'aimerais un café.
I would like a coffee.
Il y a.
There is or there are.
Il y a 3 personnes.
There are 3 people. Seven. Past tense. With.
Avoir. J'ai mangé.
I ate.
Nous avons parlé.
We spoke. With.
Être. Il est allé au marché.
She went to the market.
Ils sont arrivés.
They arrived. Eight. Future tense. This is the easiest French future form.
Je vais apprendre le français.
I'm going to learn French.
Nous allons voyager demain.
We are going to travel tomorrow. Nine. Simple tips to learn French faster. 1. Practice with short phrases. 2. Read children's books. 3. Use French apps or websites daily. Thank you for watching.